Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a foot massager. So there's obviously a lot of different type of foot massagers out there in the market. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you guys can refer to these photos right here. But the one that I got right here is this one right here. So I've actually been using this for quite some time, probably over a year or so now, and actually been working really well. It's really helpful, especially if you guys come home from like a long day of work or going out for a run or whatever. But before we talk more about the product itself and show you guys a test of the product itself, let me show you guys what is on here first. So when you guys take a look at the actual product itself right here, you can see all the buttons right there. So there's a healing button, there's a vibration button, there's an intensity button, power button, and there's a mode button right here where you can change from refresh, relax, or healthcare. So each different mode has its own power for whatever you guys plan on using it for. So either you guys want to use it for refreshing, if you guys want to relax, if you guys want to use it for healthcare. That is probably the most intense one and the most strongest one right here. And basically how it works is all you guys need to do is put your feet in here. You guys can either wear your socks or you guys don't have to wear socks in here. Obviously it is more ideal for you guys to wear clean socks in here. So that way you guys don't have to put your dirty feet or your clean feet in here. But obviously in order for you guys to turn it on, you do need power. So if you guys take a look at the back part here. Right here is basically where you guys will plug in a cable to activate the product itself. And this is basically the cable that you guys want to use to power it on. Alright, so that is basically the cable you guys want to use to power it on. You guys can't use any type of cable. You do need to use a specific cable with a specific power to actually use it. So once you guys plug it in right here to charge up the product, then you can start using it. If you guys can see, they do have the anti-skid material here, and here to prevent the product itself from moving around when you guys have it down on the ground. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Before we talk more about the product itself, let me show you guys a quick demo of the product itself and how it works. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that everything works really well, super easy to use. You guys can literally just press the button to turn it on and choose whichever mode you guys want to use, whether you guys want refresh, relax, or health care. And then you guys can choose the heating option, the vibration option, or the intensity button as well. Then choose your own preference. But you can definitely feel that deep needling therapy from using the product itself. And you definitely feel that like compression or the air compression that's like squeezing your legs to give you guys that massage. So it definitely will help you guys relieve any pain, stress, and also help with blood circulation as well for your legs and also for your feet. And this product is actually pretty portable. It might look bulky and everything, but you guys can just leave this at home, in office, or whatever, and just start massaging your feet to give you guys that relaxing feeling or refreshing feeling. But you'll definitely get that massaging feeling for sure. And the cool thing about these foot massagers usually is the fact that if you guys want to take off this cover right here, they do have a zipper that you guys can actually remove. And I believe you guys can actually wash this part right here if you guys want to, if you guys can see. So that way you can actually keep the product clean by washing it and everything. So that's basically everything for the testing about the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So just like what I mentioned earlier, I've actually been using this product for quite some time, over a year or so, and it's been working really well. It's literally so helpful and useful to use after like a long day of walking, whether you guys are walking to work, or if you guys went for a run, or if you guys did any like physical workout or activities. This will definitely give you guys that massage and relaxing feeling after a long day of like workouts or whatever. And also like what I mentioned earlier, you guys are not limited to getting this one right here. There's a lot of other foot massagers out there in the market that work the same way. It's just a different design, and probably some of them has like more functionality, like maybe a better heating system, or maybe better like massaging mode or something, or even more different modes. So like some of them might probably have 3 different massage modes, and some of them has 5. Some of them only probably has like 1 or 2. But regardless of which one you guys get, they're all pretty worth it if you guys want to get one of these products to help give you guys that relaxing feeling and also that massage feeling as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.